Alma is hyaluronic acid filler made in a lab. Alma Co. Limited has sourced the most advanced machines from Europe, including the German-made Optimal Fluid Automatic Vacuum Filling and Stoppering machine, which guarantees precision and hygiene in the filling process. Our Swedish Jutin 2-door cabinet sterilizer ensures sterility, vital for medical-grade products. We have a lab called Gas Chromatography Lab. We will test the residue of BDDE cross-linked agents. You know the extremely low BDDE makes the filler 100% biodegradable, so it's very safe for human body. Alma Co. Limited is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronic acid gel in the world. If you need OEM service, please feel free to contact us. Your beauty, your strength.